Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. God, when will I start my vlog? Well, like when? Today I will be going to make my hair. Yeah, I want to have my hair done. I don't know if I should do my nails because I'm currently in Owerri. I know I've been moving around. From here I will be going to Calabar. I'm still in Nigeria, yeah. And from Calabar I'll just be moving around, guys, so just stay tuned because I have like my project that I plan to implement and expand from Calabar to like touch at least 2 other geopolitical zones, yeah, in Nigeria. Today I am going to have my nails done, have my hair done, and then I might do some pedicure. Depends, because I know when I was in Zambia I kept saying I need to get my nails done, like I need to do pedicure, because the way my feet felt, I don't know, it just felt so rough. So that's what I'm going to do today. So if you I've seen, I know that I've not been the best in, you know, uploading my videos. I've only been, you know, creating the content, but then to edit and post is, guys, I'm burnt out, but I think I'm doing better. Anywho, see you when I get to the salon. And